So this morning I'm working on another M70-C3. I'm gonna plug it in here and just show you some of the symptoms that we're experiencing with this type of main board here. This is what we got on screen, and this is gonna be due to our main board over here. So we're gonna have to do a reball, rework, or replacement of the chips over here in order to get this TV back up and running.
Today we're going to replace the LVDS BGA. In order to remove this chip, we're going to use a BGA reworking machine, and this machine will bring us to the correct temperature in order to lift the chip properly without removing any traces. We will now proceed to lifting the chip off. As you can tell, that's a pretty nice clean lift. We're going to remove the old solder from the board in order for the board to be ready for the new replacement chip. I find that these spatula tips really help out pretty good when clearing out the old solder from these BGAs. It's a Hakko tip, which goes with the Hakko FX 951. The chip reattachment process has completed and the board is now cooling. I'm going to reflow the CPU, essentially to be more thorough with the repair. So we're going to add our flux. And we're going to do a little cleanup and we will install this in the customer's TV.
We just brought back our main board from being repaired, and we're gonna go ahead and power it up. I already installed it. I already have all the connectors plugged in and everything. We're just gonna go ahead and jump into the plug-in portion. Let's confirm we still have our light here, the standby light. I'll wait a second for it to fade away, and it did. We can power it back on, and let's see if we get proper picture on screen now. Okay, looks like the Vizio logo is displaying correctly. Ah, look at that. There we go. So it looks like right now it is working. Yep. So our repair worked. Alright, well, if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave us a like and subscribe.